and everybody should have these. These are my Fit Simplify resistant loop bands, and they are awesome. I have tried other bands, and over time they all wear and tear, and these are the most affordable and most durable ones that I have found yet. They're on Amazon Prime, which I absolutely love now more than ever. I really don't like going to the store and purchasing things. I really enjoy just being able to order them online and them show up at my door like in 2 days, which is awesome. It comes with 4 different intensities. So there's extra light, there's medium, there's heavy, and there's extra heavy. So you can use these for assisting yourself in workouts. You can also use them in rehab exercises. You can use them to assist stretches. So I'll normally use the lighter ones to help me kind of deepen a stretch, wrap it around my foot and pull it closer. They are really good for isolating muscle groups, strengthening your joints, and then also getting all those little micro muscles in those hard to reach areas. But you know, if they tear, which over time anything like this will, not having a super expensive brands that you're gonna have to replace constantly. This is super great. You also get a little travel bag, which is nice because we all know how easy it is to lose little things. Definitely recommend getting you some of these. Just Amazon Prime, they'll be at your door in 2 days.